This is a CHEFMAN Multifunctional air fryer. It's a rotisserie machine. It's a dehydrator, convection oven, and bakes. Literally does everything. I love that it has a touch screen, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what it does. So right now I have it on the air fry setting. You can do French fries, chicken, fish, meat, vegetables. You can go to the bake. So if I go back there, it'll tell you the time, and the degrees. You can change that as you want. Then you just hit this little temp time and you can change the time on there as well, plus or minus. Go to bake. You have cake, chicken, fish, vegetables, and same thing. You can change the degrees, you can change the time. Dehydrate, it just gives you the amount of minutes. So you can dehydrate chicken, fish, meat, vegetables, fruit. That's really cool. The dried fruit or, dried beef jerky. It comes with 3 of these sheets, and it does come with some of the paper sheets, but I did buy additional and I'll link those. So this is really cool. It just helps to reduce the mess in here, which there really isn't much. So there's 3 of them. It also comes with this awesome basket here, so you can throw French fries in there. You can throw one of these, throw French fries in there, and it's simply there you go. Clips in there. This is to take it out. You don't burn yourself. Well, awesome. So that's what that is for. It has the manual. It has a couple other little pieces to it. An extra one of those rods for this here. This thing is amazing. Really fresh. That's it. Cooks your food super fast. You use 90% less oil when you're cooking. Again, you can do everything on here. So this is the CHEFMAN air fryer. Yeah, pick one up.